Die polisie laat staan, dan gaat het
Yeah. They've put a hit on us. Nia, they couldn't even look at the that let's see those trespassing.
We're at the dumping site now.
Welcome back, you guys. This is the JD podcast, and we are reporting to you live events of the community hall of Calitzdorp, Basel. This is the community hall where we used to have model shows,
We have
dance
5
competitions.
seconds to be in and get the fuck out, Lupe.
Yeah, there's 5 seconds to get in and out. So we are recording.
This is where we used to hang
This is
out.
like the inside of the
What happened to the floor?
the walls are cracking, the floor is gone. it used to be a hood floor.
Show them the roof.
The roof is destroyed, single-handedly annihilated, and every other aspect of the community hall. And I also want to read this very interesting thing. On the 5th of May, there's a community meeting
Where?
at Calitzdorp's community hall.
Where?
This is where the meeting is going to be. It has been circulating in social media, Scanaland's pages, that there's a meeting on the 5th May on Calitzdorp Bergsig. Yeah, look at the community hall.
Look at me.
Look at us.
Back
So
in the
let's
day,
start voting for change, you
when
guys.
fun time happened, this was where I scut my biscuit.
Back
But
in the
now
day.
a lot of these people that is watching, they know what I'm talking about.
This is our cue,
Yes.
you guys.
The windows is out. The roof is gone. Where is the floor? I remember there was a floor.
There's no floor to be found.
Die stokke met seker nou die vloer ook gevat.
Facts on the floor.
Dis eens evidentjies dat die vloer was nie. Waar die bakstene.
Dis die gemeenskapsaal julle van Calitzdorp Bergsig.
Who do we have to blame for this when it's nobody? The political parties are saying, blame this one, blame that one. But the work can't be done. No one is doing the work. Ek het diep staan, ek in die dans, ek het in die lig gestaan. One time kan nie nou meer speel is klaar. Where's the doors? It's gone. I can't believe it. Ek het gedans hier, julle, dis my ewe ek. Ek het gedans hier.